Hey guys, welcome back. Today's a quick tip video, actually a two quick tip video. First quick tip will be, if you get this SD card writing slow speed on your Osmo, DJI OSMO action camera, this is what you need to look at. Look at your SD card. If you want to look at the coding on the SD card to see what the write speed is, go to this website, I have it highlighted here. And check out the different kinds of write speeds compared to the code. The problem is your SD card cannot write fast enough or cannot accept a write fast enough from the DJI Osmo Action in order for the video bit rate to keep up to the card. And here's an example of what this error looks like. I have an old SD card, I put it in, and I can record on 4K, 60 frames per second for about 30, 40 seconds. So there must be some kind of buffer in this DJI Osmo Action that can accept this bit rate pretty fast. And then when it starts filling up that buffer and going to the card, it starts to get this message, and I think it's going to drop frames. I don't know for sure because I don't know the entire specs on this, but it certainly looks like it. It's giving you a warning. So check your SD card. You need one that writes at least 10 megasecond, I believe, in order to keep this error from happening. And here's a comparison of two cards I have. The lighter colored one with the white on it, it is the card I can make this error happen on all the time. The other one, which is a 10 meg per second card, I rarely get the error on that one. So I think that's really the difference. And you can order newer cards than this one, the 10 meg a second, and that will even prevent it from happening altogether. So that's quick tip number one. Quick tip number two is how you put this SD card in. First, you slide the door up. You find the door. It's on the right side of the camera. You slide it up. And then you flip your card over label side down and you push it into the slot just like this. Pretty simple to do once you know how to do it. And then you can slide the door back shut, kind of push it up a little bit to make it clip, and you are all set to go. Now, you may have to go through the settings button and find your format and format your SD card, depending on, you know, what situation you're in. If it's full and you need to start over, or if it's brand new, it's not formatted yet. So look into that. But hey, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching quick tips on the DJI Osmo Action camera. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.